I'm Charlotte of Charlotte & Associates with Remax Gateway. Welcome to 6905 Newby Hall Court in Clifton, Virginia. This home exudes style and grace. Built by the premier home builder Renaissance, it features 6 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, a swimming pool, all on over 1/2 of an acre. We are minutes from downtown Clifton, rich in history. There's wineries and breweries, and we are just 30 minutes outside of Washington, D.C. But don't take my word for it, come check it out. The kitchen and the 2-story family room are the hub of this home. It is fit for the most discerning buyer. The family room is open to the kitchen and opens to a beautiful backyard with a pool. There's even a second staircase to come down and start your morning ritual. This home is a fabulous offering at $1 million. To take a closer look, visit my website at charlotteschreiner.com. Thanks for watching the tour.